A crucifixion for Kartel that them did a chant. Me not have to explain it because I'm free. Oh, you know me. You see, Pri?
Why not tear me down? Me never did tell no one I want baby father. Because baby father is not very hard to have. Me have 13 years of message from different numbers. None is deleted. Messages and voice notes and
Wagwan dancehall again. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we have to talk about this. We see a little video swirl around where it looked like Vybz Kartel finally speaking out about what they did to him in prison. Sounds like he said they tried to kill him. Then Vybz Kartel out of him wanna come out now with a bag of receipts. That's she have voice note and thing. So you have to stay tuned because we have the body part things to talk about. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment and share. Stay tuned. This is just a snippet of what's gonna be said on Friday. You know, just make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. But if this I got drop Friday and not just a piece, like, can you imagine what is going to spill out on Friday? Listen to the interview.
First, Vybz Kartel.
Well, go on, Mr. Miller. How this freedom feel like? Me I wait for the key shape. Anything what the court say, and that you not have to work with. Them send me go to prison for circumstantial evidence. A crucifixion for Kartel that them did a chant. Me not have to explain it because I'm free. Oh, you know me. You see, Pri? A Kartel. Anyway, me do a DNA right now. Half a dancehall of my picnic.
Entertainment report.
Hey, ER. Y'all run down the Gaza youth. What you expect me to do? Love them, but I see them every day. I'm out.
You know, the thing change part nice and when I say love them, then that touch them. And then change the song and say see them, that I new wife name, put her name in there. Throwing shades, I see. Ah, boy, I don't know when this I got done. When I go see Kartel for a very long time. But, yeah. Speaking of Shawty, I see that clip over there where them say, because of Shawty, Kartel can't go to Gregory Park because they done for over there. Want him head and she did involve with him, so take her that now him say no want to song play at Gregory Park. But listen to what a lady officer, I don't know or if it's true or what, but this is street I say.
I know you have a real page, but you just work on one fake page because you're not brave enough to voice your opinion freely. You just want to hide and voice your opinion, but you could have come with a real page same way. Well, you and Shawty, you wouldn't do the same thing with Shawty do. You do it a lot of time, and you and Shawty is the same thing. You do it a lot of time. Me tell you something. Shawty been with Vybz Kartel over all these years. Shawty know exactly who is Vybz Kartel. That is it. Because a man kill you all the time. That's the reason why you not, because you know some type of man you not there with. You know the man, you know what the man is. But after a time you still up same way. So it makes sense. You know the relationship where you're in. Years in there for you have much in in there. And their life that. So why when him drop a jail, you walk, you have almost all the artists them, and you still grown and you done them, you set up the man life and all these things. And when time the man come back from prison, you still don't want to come there with the man. You still don't want the man to come out of prison and hold your hand at the prison gate and say, this are my woman will walk on the whole place. You don't go like you don't know. You don't go like Shawty a saint. Shawty not saint, bro. Shawty they have how much in artists and how much in Dan and how much in Badman and you don't know. Right now, Gregory Park and the boss. You done down at Gregory Park and the boss. No agree. Right now, no song for the Dan. Can't play at Gregory Park. The Dan down at Gregory Park say, no song for Vybz Kartel. Nobody not for play nothing for Vybz Kartel down at Gregory Park. You know one year, they don't want to hear nothing about Vybz Kartel at Gregory Park. So, the Dan for Gregory Park locked down Vybz Kartel song from Gregory Park. Nothing about Vybz Kartel can't talk. If you want to play a Vybz Kartel, you have to left Gregory Park and go somewhere else go play it. All because of Shawty. Shawty is a problem, brother, to the man life. If you have a certain man, I know say you deal certain man stay a certain way. You have to loyal, brother. You have to loyal, brother, and trustworthy.
After that, no, Missy Shawty go live and, basically she dance and people them in her comment section. She also made a post with Alkaline in the background. And everybody knows say Alkaline and Kartel a rivalry. But take a listen.
On Tanisha, famous you fuck off them busy. Me a them hot topic. Blood clot. No pay them no mind. I just laugh, I'm laughing.
Who does amidst prosperity, success? Yeah, so we say positive vibes. Yeah, we're not really focused on the negative energy right now.
Yes.
Yeah, we get old and we just, you don't know, sort out to life. Who does
Me run up and down and hide. On a guess again, go suck on a mother with a Burger King straw. Nobody can bully me, nobody.
Now, Kartel other baby mother, Sharika, made a post, but apparently she was talking about somebody that brought up her child, so everybody thinks I did immature word for Kartel and a new wife. So let me show you what she said. So this was the post that she made. She said, "The facade is too much now. Cha. Wonder if me can laugh and phone on purpose." After that, she went live. The people them they come at her and she answer each and every one of them will insult her, and she say she have voice note all these years and text message and she never said nothing. So take a listen.
The man know where to find you and him daughter. I mean. Sure make them go the jealous now. And the thing is, the whole of them girl there, none of them, I not see none of them on the man page just say, get well, none of this. Them just dead there for try to tear me down. Right? I not get it. Why not tear me down? I never did tell no say I want baby father. Because baby father is not very hard to have. And then the thing is now, it's like my outer character because me, well, never ever hear me do drama. The only way I get mad if somebody says something about my daughter. That's the only way I lose it. They must say the worst about me I'm gonna look. It's not lie. But you see, because them know too, that's why when I mention phone, me have 13 years of message from different numbers, none is deleted. Messages and voice notes and song and singing and things. Una go bring it somewhere else and bring up the man and bring up some things and bring up I just not bother y'all weird. On a real weird.
Still on Vybz Kartel, he and his fiancée have now launched a YouTube channel, and people did say I know him and come and clarify now say yeah. And me asked them, so let's take a look.
Serious up to the time, Gaza Nation. Me have a new vlog named Kiss Me Baby. And then if not maybe. So me say remember people, them I wonder if Kartel do vlog. But remember from 2010, I me do the series where say Kartel Speaks His Mind on YouTube. When I talk about Jamaica Pussy Hole Service and them thing there. I remember that's how the meme come from where say, all this time I thought they were Bill Gates. But they weren't even build fence. So, now everything makes sense? Yeah, man. So, you see the link? That's all? Just click it. Are your winning ticket? Yeah, man. Kiss Me Baby TV on YouTube. And that's my new channel. And a Kartel up on the panel. Done? Or, where should I look for in the fridge?
Yeah, look for your mangoes.
What do I do? How about that?
Scotch bonnet sauce.
Oh, you put it in a chicken. So that gonna taste good.
Tastes very good.
Scotch bonnet sauce in a chicken. Alright. Yeah, I laugh, bro.
I make good things.
I know you know good things.
You're one of them.
Me, one of them. Know that.
And you that.
I mean that. I mean know good things to that. Know good things come in small packages. So your juice there, apart from me.
Sit in. You usually tell me don't drink Pepsi while I'm eating.
Me tell you to drink Pepsi none at all. The fuck? Don't talk about while I'm eating.
Don't fill up my belly.
Pepsi fill up your belly. That's why you don't have to drink it. And me alone to fill up your belly. I'm out.
Yeah, people, so basically, him launch a YouTube channel and we just wait for the video for drop Friday on TVJ so we can see what they really did do to him in a prison. But for now, we just have to go and wait. So make sure you like up the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.